Hey guys, how's it going? This evening we're going to try to resolve our hydraulic leak on our New Holland. Went ahead and picked up these crow's feet. They're by Sunix. And you can get them off Amazon for like $106, I think it is. Because if you have any work to do on any hydraulics, or the like, it's pretty rough to get in there with wrenches and whatnot. So, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and take out the seat and again address this issue because it's pretty aggravating. And then might try to put some focus in and try and find some numbers on the cylinders here so I can get a kit for that. But next up, you're going to see me take that out and then try to get things taken care of. Alright, so we're back from town and we got ourselves a new O-ring on the vise here so you can kind of see what the difference is. And I would have to say that that's probably the cause of my issues. So I'm going to go ahead and get it installed and probably set you guys up over there so you can see a little time lapse of the install. And then hopefully we have no more leaks and get rid of our big old puddle that we seem to leave. I did order up a new seal kit for our hydraulic cylinder for our bucket. As you can tell here, she's pretty shiny and she just seeps right out of there. So that'll probably be the next thing to do. Get some tools lined up and get cracking on it. Hey, just real quick guys, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and get some grease and then put a little bit, not all of this that I have on here, on the O-ring so that way it slides in there easily and less issues for it possibly getting torn while we install it in there. Hey, I didn't really cover it earlier, but I kind of touched on it. But the tools I used today was the Suntex tools or Sunix tools, and they come pretty much every 16th. You see there. So you got 1 1/16 all the way up to a 2-inch crow's foot. And I went ahead and took them out of the packaging. Obviously, I used this guy a little earlier, and I kind of, really kind of used it a lot with having to use this and an extension onto that to try and break that free. So I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, it's $106 on Amazon. Check it out if you're concerned about it. It does have a lifetime warranty. So